National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm.
For severe weather alerts in September.
Northwestern Boone County, Clinton County, Central Montgomery County, Eastern Tippecanoe County, Northwestern Howard County.
Whoa!
Until 5:30
This is
p.m.
awesome.
Eastern Standard Time. At 4:53 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Brookston to 7 miles south of Lafayette to 9 miles southwest of Crawfordsville, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lafayette, Frankfort, Crawfordsville.
TV just went off for a severe thunderstorm warning.
Rossville, Thorntown, Dayton,
Lafayette.
Ground, Mulberry, Darlington, Linden, Colfax, Clarksville.
Well, it's approaching us and we're about 70 miles away.
Town, and Yeoman.
And it doesn't show any sign of weakening.
Following